the WAGO Eco 2 power supplies, even faster to install. All Eco 2 power supplies have the same connection technology. It's a cage clamp with push-in and lever. This connection is safe because the cage clamp is maintenance-free, vibration-proof, and fast. And even faster connection is done thanks to the integrated push-in technology, which allows to do wiring of solid conductors and conductors with ferrules directly pushed into the cage clamp. And it is toolless because we have an integrated actuation lever, which allows to open and close the cage clamp manually without having a tool. That's how wiring is done today with Eco 2.